45 seconds.
You can't hash this. You can't hash this. You can't hash this. You can't hash this. Functions makes data code, makes me say, oh my lord, thank you for turning this string into a short sequence that's unique. It's good for finding things quick. What would Google do without this trick? The internet would be slow and crash without a function that can't hash. I told you, Bill Gates, you can't hash this. It's not encryption, and you know, you can't hash this. Add some bytes to make your block more random. You can't hash this. And your message digest will get fandom. You can't hash this. Email passwords are hashed so no one knows you pick 123/. Digital messages ain't whack. Blockchain hashes back to back while rolling. The hash with tricks. FB hit not shot 236 servers. Ain't gonna crash. This system ain't gonna lose no cash. Why? Cause check it out, homeboy. I got algorithms you can't hash. Hey, Mark Zuckerberg, you can't hash this. Why are you indexing my password, Google? You can't hash this. Better trust my message integrity, yo. You can't hash this. Don't mess with a hash. A little math is nice, but that ain't also slice of rice. Coding with no purity, use information security. Hashing is the best fit to keep your code from getting lit. Add hashes to your code for glory. Send ransomware to purgatory. Yo, homeboy, you know I won't quit, cause this girl's data is legit. Yo, Tim Cook, you can't hash this. Hey, John McAfee, you definitely can't hash this. Break it down. Stop, slice out.